Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So hello to everyone. I hope that you guys are having a good day. So in this video I wanted to share with you guys a order that I did on honest.com. Honest, if you're not familiar with Honest Company, it is Jessica Alba, the actress. It is her company, and I'm just going to read to you right here. It's a safe baby and beauty store that brings innovative formulas and thoughtful designs to all of the products that's needed. So they have like baby diapers and baby washes and baths like that, wipes. Then they have your beauty products, and then they also have cleaning products. So I believe what I've seen on their stuff so far was detergent, softener. I know they have bathroom wipes, things like that. But I came across their products because TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Ross. So a lot of times you can find at Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and Ross, you can find their cleaning products. And one time I did find it there, and after that I never found them again. They did sell them there for $2.99. And so I fell in love with the product. I loved the way it was safe. I loved that how it cleaned, the smell, everything. And so I had looked and looked for many months afterwards. Every time I went to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Ross, I would look and I could never find them. So after looking, I finally went onto their website. I think I came across it or something on Instagram, and I saw that their website. And so I went onto the website, and I was expecting it to be, you know, pretty pricey, you know, maybe like $10 or more a bottle. And I was fairly shocked that, I don't know why I have my hands like this. I was fairly surprised that they were only less than $1 more than what I paid at Marshalls and all of that. So I did go ahead and place an order recently because I am in need of cleaning products, and I do enjoy them, as I told you before. Their website down below. And like I said, they are very affordable. I did receive free shipping with this order. It wasn't a big haul that I did. I only picked up a few items, and it was free shipping. They're currently offering free shipping, and it doesn't matter how much you order. And they also have a program where you can get it auto shipped or auto delivered every so many weeks. So I currently set it up on a 12-week basis just to kind of see how long it takes me to use this cleaning product. The first item that I picked up is the multi-surface cleaner. So this is in the scent Coastal Surf. I've not tried this scent as of yet. Like I said, these are $3.95 on their website. And at Marshalls or TJ Maxx, when I picked them up, I got them for $2.99. So this was a really good deal. I think that they're 26 fluid ounces. It says here that it cuts grease and grime, and you can use this on anything, bathroom, kitchen, whatever, table. I use it on everything. It says it's made without SLS, whatever that is, dyes, ammonia, synthetic fragrances, chlorine bleach, and then that long word with the methylizate, I don't know how to pronounce that. So it says here that it's a powerful plant-based cleaner that's tough on messes and gentle on surfaces. Excuse me. Innovative formula, effective, cuts through grease and grime without leaving irritating chemical residue. It's safe. It says it goes through a screening to make sure it's safe, and it has breakthrough formulas and a thoughtful design. One I picked up, like I showed you guys, $3.95 for that. I think that's a great deal. And then the other one I got is the Grapefruit Grove. Looks like that. This is the scent that I did pick up when I picked it up from TJ Maxx. And I really did enjoy that, and so that's why I picked up that one again. They did send me 2 pumps to go along with it. And then I wanted to try these makeup wipes. from her brand, so I thought I would pick them up. I want to say these were like $6 maybe, which is kind of pricey for makeup wipes, but I just thought I would give them a try because, as you guys have heard, I have told you many times on my channel, I do have very sensitive skin, so I have to be very mindful of what I use on my face as well as on my eyes. This is the Makeup Remover Wipes 30 count with grapeseed and olive oil. And it just says that they will not over dry. They're made with the oils and they're safe to even use around the eye area. That is what that looks like. Yeah, so these are the 3 items I picked up. I was going to pick up dish soap. I did not because I'm not in need of dish soap as of yet. I still have my refill bag that I'm finishing, but once I do, I will be picking up dish soap from them. I do like their products, so I'm going to continue purchasing these. I think that they are very fair priced, and if you guys want to give them a try, like I said, I will link the website down in the description below. They're definitely safer, and you don't have to worry about all of the chemicals. I'm trying to slowly and gradually change from buying cleansers and things like that with chemicals to non. So if you have any other recommendations, I would love to hear what they are down in the comments below as well. I did recently pick up, before I did this order, I'm trying to remember the brand, at Target. Target's been getting a lot of safer cleaning products, and I've been intrigued to try them. Bought from the brand at Target Method, the cleaning products. I recently bought the one for woodwork because in my kitchen I have, cabinets, and when you're cooking and you're touching them, or if grease splashes or things like that, I notice that there's a lot of fingerprints. I picked that up to use on there, and it is safe. It is doesn't have the chemicals or anything like that, so I do like that brand as well. I have been trying, I think my dish soap is currently from that brand as well. So those I have been enjoying, and do recommend those if you guys don't want to order. They are fairly priced. You can get the Method Cleaner, that's 28 ounces for about $3, which is pretty average for cleaning products. I mean, I see here on the Target website that there is urine remover, I guess for around the toilet, and it's from the Clorox brand, which will have a ton of chemicals, we all know. And it may work very well, but with all the chemicals, I know for myself, whenever I go to spray my bathtub with the Clorox shower spray, I literally have to hold my breath, and sometimes I will inhale it, and I find myself choking and coughing. I don't feel like when you go with the ones with the less chemicals or no chemicals, that it has that same reaction. And that one's priced at $4.99, so it's a little bit even more pricey. The other brand that I've been enjoying is Meyers as well. Mrs. Meyers from Target, if you want to try those. And then the last one that I'm trying to find is the one that I recently picked up. And I know a lot of times when we think about non-chemical cleaning products, we think of them being super, super pricey and expensive because they don't have the chemicals or anything like that in them. But keep in mind, because I was the same way, keep in mind that they're pretty average and pretty close in price. Some items you may pay just a tad more, but it's, excuse me, definitely going to be worth it when, you're inhaling that chemicals, or your children are, or even if the pets later on go and they're licking the wall, which my dog loves to do, the bigger dog. She licks everything, smells everything, so I definitely want to use items that are going to be safer for her. I apologize, it's taking me just a moment. There is another brand that I seen when I was at Target recently that I want to give a try. It's a newer brand, and it's called Everspring. So they're also going to be a cruelty-free, a chemical-free brand as well. I haven't tried that one yet. So I believe the brand is Love Beauty and Planet. You guys might be familiar with that brand. That brand makes hair products, shampoos, conditioners, things like that. It's actually called Love and Home. So instead of Love It's Love and Home Cleaner. I recently picked up one, and I picked up the rose petal. It's the same thing, all-purpose cleaner. I just happened to find it when I went to Target recently. I did not see it again, but it retails for $3.99, and it is a 23 ounce, so a little bit smaller, but I have been enjoying it, especially for my countertops and stuff and my table. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to come on here and share this recent order with you guys. This was my first time ordering from the company. I have heard a lot of great things about her company, her products, especially her makeup. Maybe once I get off the snow bike, I will try some of her makeup products for you guys if that's something that you would be interested in, because I've heard a lot of great things about it. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I will leave the website down below, and if I find any coupons or anything like that, I will also leave the links down below for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. And welcome to all my new subscribers, my recent new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And this is going to complete this video for today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.